In the course of that discourse, Bhagwan Baba materialized the ring given by King Janaka to Sita. This was the ring that Sita gave to Rama during the wedding, and this was the ring that Rama sent through Hanuman as an identification. Here we see Swami wearing the ring he had materialized.
Forest with Rama, I put it on the index finger on my right hand.
Hanuman, neevu Ramu adiginappudu Sita.
It was on the finger of Sita. It looks little soiled.
Swami graciously permitted the ring to be shown to some of the devotees assembled.
Not get to utter the name of Rama.
Kanuka ee Ramanamamanutundi sarvakudanu chintinchavasilatundi vishayam.
Therefore, the name of Rama should be contemplated upon by everyone.
Later, the ring vanished.